Want to stop your iPhone from asking for a password every time you download a free app from the App Store? In this guide, I'll walk you through a quick and easy way to turn it off. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now, scroll again and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this option is turned on, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Next, find Require Password and set it to Don't Require. This turns off the Apple ID password for free downloads. Now, go back to the main settings page. Tap on your name at the top. Scroll down and select Media and Purchases. Then tap Password Settings. Turn off the option that says Require Password for free downloads. Next, let's turn off Face ID for the App Store. From the main settings menu, scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Now, turn off iTunes and App Store. This stops Face ID from popping up when you download free apps. And that's it. Your iPhone will no longer ask for a password when downloading free apps from the App Store. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching.